Good morning, boys and girls. Well, remember, we read a book that was called The Jacket I Wear in the Snow. And we were wondering, does color of your jacket matter? As a matter of fact, it does. So we're going to do an experiment that will help you know whether you should wear a jacket that is lighter in color or darker in color. So what you will need is a dark piece of paper and a light piece of paper. And if you happen to have two thermometers, that's great because you're going to put one thermometer under the light colored piece of paper and one thermometer under the dark piece of paper. Now remember, a thermometer is a tool that tells us the temperature, how hot and how cold it is. If the red color is high up on the thermometer, then it's very hot. And if it's low on the thermometer, then it's very cold. And we can use the numbers on the side to tell us degrees in Fahrenheit. So that little symbol there with the F with the little degree. So here's what you're going to do. The idea is find a sunny spot that doesn't have too much wind in it. Then get your dark piece of paper with your thermometer underneath and your light piece of paper with your thermometer underneath. And to stop any breeze blowing away your paper, I have some blocks that I'm going to use to hold my piece of papers in the same spot so they don't blow away. And then to make it a fair test, because we're just testing to see if a light colored jacket is better or a dark colored jacket is better, we're going to leave it out in the sunshine for the same amount of time. I would leave it out about half an hour. That's 30 minutes. 30 minutes equals half an hour. Leave it in the sunshine, and while you're waiting, make a prediction. Which one do you think would be better? And record it in your journal. Record if you think, I think a dark jacket would be better, or I think a light jacket would be better. When it's been 30 minutes, check. Take the blocks off that are holding your pieces of paper in the spot, and then lift them up, look at the thermometers, and see which one has the higher temperature. The one with the higher temperature or greater temperature is going to be warmer than the one with the lower temperature, which will be colder. So check to see. Now, if you don't have two thermometers, that's okay, because here's another way you can do it. Get two flat, dark rocks, and put them under the paper and use those same blocks to hold the papers in place. And then leave it out for the same amount of time so that it is a fair test, and then take it off and quickly feel which rock is warmer. Is the one under the light paper warmer, or is the one under the dark paper warmer? The one that is under the paper that is warmer, well, that would be the color jacket that you would want, a dark jacket or a light jacket. So Mrs. Clapp's jacket has both dark and light on it. But I like my jacket that I wear in the snow. It's definitely poofy and insulated, so it's going to keep me warmer as I play outside doing those fun activities. Then, when your experiment is finished, you can record which one was better. You could say the dark one was better, or the light one was better, or the dark one was warmer, or the light one was warmer. Because scientists always make a prediction and then they always write their results so that they can remember and share the information with their audience. So give that experiment a try, friends. When your experiment is over, you have a blank jacket. And this is where you get to be a designer, thinking about the information you learned from your experiment. Design a jacket. Will it be a light colored jacket? Will it be a dark colored jacket? Or will it be a fancy jacket? I chose to use some shapes on my jacket to make it interesting. So, decide how you would design your fancy jacket that you would wear in the snow. You all have a blank one, and then send us a picture. Show us your designs. Maybe we could make that jacket. I don't know. All right, jacket scientists, have a fun day testing to see which is better, dark or light. And design a jacket. Be creative.